today I'm going to talk about the Spring Valley Vitamin C. So this is 1,000 milligrams, which is a lot, but this is the perfect strength for your immune health. Let me tell you, I have so many colds during cold season. I get all of them. Whatever is going around, I get it. And vitamin C is essential for keeping up your immune system and your health, especially during times when your immune system can be attacked or, feel weak. So vitamin C is amazing, and this one is amazing. And I'll tell you why. So there are 90 vegetarian coated tablets, and vitamin C boosts your immune function and is a great supplement to have just anytime, but during cold season especially. It is a stomach-friendly vitamin. A lot of the time when you take all these supplements, like I do, they can kind of hurt your stomach, like you feel you have a harder time digesting things. That's why they always say to take it with a meal. But this one is a lot smoother on your stomach. I haven't had any issues with it, whereas some of the formulas can be a lot more tricky. It is a 24-hour support formula, so they claim that it lasts a lot longer, and it is non-acidic, gentler on your stomach than regular vitamin C. So, as I was saying, it definitely helps. I still would take it with a meal, but if you don't have a meal on you, this is still a lot nicer on your tummy. So the serving size is 2 tablets. So there are 45 servings per container, if you do the math. And it is no gluten, no yeast, no wheat, no milk derivatives, no lactose, no sugar, no preservatives, no soy, no artificial color, no artificial flavor, and no sodium. So that's a lot of no's that are really good, because when you're trying to take something for your health like this, you want it to be as simple as possible. You don't want all these additives or extra things that could interfere with your health in any way. Less than 5 milligrams per serving. And if you're pregnant, please ask your doctor. Some supplements can be good when you're pregnant, but you should still ask your doctor about it and figure out what you need and with your condition, your circumstance, and your body. As well as kids, don't give it to kids. Ask the doctor first if kids need vitamin C. There are a lot of formulas that are meant for kids, and this one's for adults. And if you have any medications that you're taking that could interact with these supplements, a lot of the time supplements can interact slightly with different medications. So I would just check with your doctor first if you're not sure. But other than that, these work really well. And I take 1 a day, but during flu season I take 2 a day because I definitely need them a lot more at that time. So it comes in this green bottle here, and then you have a yellow top and the yellow label. And the tablets themselves, they're tablets that you swallow. They are about this greenish gray color. And it's a product of China, Spain, and the USA. And yeah, so I would definitely check these out if you need some vitamin C. Thanks so much for watching.